Hello everyone, welcome back to online class. So students, as I said, an online class, just try to do exercise 19C. So students, just see exercise 19C question number 1. Question number 1 is given, prove that sin 60 equal to 2 sin 30 into cos 30. So LHS is sin 30 means root 3 by 2 and RHS is 2 into 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2. So therefore, LHS equal to RHS, you are proving, just see, if you will cancel out these two, root 3 by 2 and LHS, you will get root 3 by 2. And this is the proof. And number 2, just do it yourself. And question number 2, just see, sin x degree equal to cos x degree. It is the angle is in between 0 degree and 90 degree. So students, already all of you know it, the value of sin 45 is equal to the cos 45. So take the angle 45. Okay, now this 2 will be cancelled out. Okay, you will get x equal to 45 degree. In the place of x, the value is 45 degree. Okay, now see question number 3. It is given, find the value of sin square 60 plus cos square 45. Okay, so what will be the value of sin 60 and cos 45? As I said before the table, okay, just recall it. You will get root 3 by 2 and 1 by root 2. Okay, since square is there, take it like this. Okay, now just solve it, you will get 5 by 4. Okay, since it is an improper fraction, convert it into a mixed fraction, you will get 1 whole 1 by 4. Okay, now number 2, 3 cos square 30 degree plus 10 square 60 degree. Cos square 30, it is root 3 by 2 and 10 60 is root 3 square. Okay, 10 square 60 means root 3 whole square. Okay, so you will get 3 into 3 by 4 plus 3, that is 9 by 4 plus 3. Okay, and take out the LCM, you will get 9 plus 12 by 4, that is 21 by 4. Since it is a improper fraction, convert it into mixed fraction, you will get 5 whole 1 by 4. Okay, now number 3, 4 sin square 60 degree plus 3 tan square 30 degree minus 8 sin 45 into cos 45. So 4 sin square 60, that means root 3 by 2, and 10 30, it is 1 by root 3, sin 45 is 1 by root 2 and cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Okay, put all the values, then you will get 3, because 4 and 4 will be cancelled out. Okay, 3 and 3 will be cancelled out. You will get 3 plus 1 minus 4, that is 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, then next 2 sin square 30 minus 3 cos square 45 plus 10 square 60. Sin 30 means half and cos 45 means 1 by root 2 and 10 60 means root 3. Okay, put all the values in this corresponding values. Okay, so you will get 2 whole 1 by 4, 3 into whole 1 by 2 plus root 3 square means root 3 into root 3, and the value of this is 3. So 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 3, take out the LCM. Okay, you will get minus 1 plus 3 at last, and minus 1 plus 3, the value is 2. Okay, then see next number, sin 60 plus cos square 45 minus 3 tan 30 plus 5 cos 90. Cos 90 is 0 and tan 30 it is 1 by root 3. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Cos 45 it is 1 by root 2. Okay, so as I have taken all the values, then root 3 minus root 3 will be equal to 0. Cos 90 plus cos square 45 into sin 30 into tan 45. So cos 90 equal to 0. Cos square 45, that means 1 by root 2 whole square into sin 30 means 1 by 2 into 1045 means it is 1. So you will get 1 by root 2 into root 2, it will be 2. 2 into 2, it is 4. 2 to the 4. Then the answer is 1 by 4. Now number 7, cos square 45 plus sin square 60 plus sin square 30. Cos square 45, the value is 1 by root 2. Sin 60, it is root 3 by 2. And sin 30 is 1 by 2. Okay, take all the values. You will get 1 by 2 plus 4 by 4. It is 1 by 2 plus 1. That is 1 whole 1 by 2 or 3 by 2 is the answer. Okay. Now, go to next number 8. Sin square 30 degree plus cos square 60 degree. Half square plus half square. Okay. It is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. It is 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. Now, see the next number. Students, directly you can write it here 1 by 10 square 60. Okay. Because already you know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So, you can write here 1 by 10 60, or else by taking the values also you can solve it. Okay. So, I have taken the values so that you can understand it. Okay. And I got 1 by 3, or else 1 by 10 square 60. Okay, then after take the value of 10 square 60, that is 1 by root 3 square, directly you will get 1 by 3. Okay, in both the way you can take it. Okay, now number 10, 5 sin square 30 plus cos square 45 minus 4 tan square 30 whole by 2 sin 30 into cos 30 plus tan 45. Okay, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, tan 45 is 1. Okay, I have taken all the values. Then after I got 5 by 12 into 2 by root 3 plus 2, and I got 2 and 12 will be cancelled out. I got 5 by 6 into root 3 by 2, which is the answer. Okay. Now just see question number 4. Students, rest of the number just try it. That means only one number I have left, I think. Okay, number 4. ABC is an isosceles right triangle. Assuming AB equal to BC equal to X, find the value of each of the following trigonometric ratio. That is sin 45, cos 45 and tan 45 you have to find out. Okay. So students, just I have taken the figure. Okay. ABC, since here it is given in question AB equal to BC equal to X, so ABC is an isosceles triangle, so obviously angle B will be 90 degree. Okay, so angle A equal to angle C equal to 45. Okay, now AC will be our hypotenuse, so hypotenuse equal to AB square plus BC square, we will get X root 2, AC equal to X root 2. So students, by taking the term SOHCAHTOA, okay, take sin 45 equal to opposite by hypotenuse, you will get 1 by root 2, cos 45 it is adjacent by hypotenuse, you will get 1 by root 2, and tan 45 that is opposite by adjacent, you will get 1. So students, by taking this angle you can take the opposite, the hypotenuse and the adjacent, and by taking this angle also you can take the opposite, adjacent and the hypotenuse. So both of this I have written. Okay, just check it. And question number 5, without using the tables, find the value of sin 30 minus sin 90 plus 2 cos 0 whole by tan 30 into tan 60. So students, how without using the tables you have to find out the values, I'll tell. Just here I have taken all the values and I have got 1.5, and without using the table, the trigonometrical ratio table, how to solve this question I'll tell in next class. Okay, so students, that's all for today. Thank you.